In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the smallest avatar in Roblox. In order to do that, you need specific items on your actual avatar. So according to a Reddit post, you require the item of stick bug. Here is what it looks like. You also need the headless horseman, and you also need the elemental crystal golem in replacement of this. You also need the Nomsky brothers, which looks like this, and you also need the ninja animation. So note that you will not be able to climb up ladders very well if you have those equipped. So to assemble those avatar, you need to use the stick bugs as the torso, the Nomsky brothers for the legs and arms, and Headless Horseman's head right here. Now, you can also use Elemental Crystal Golem's head will work if Headless head is not available to you. And for the ninja animation, make sure to add it. Also, you can actually scale your avatar to the smallest size possible. Or you can just search for the tiny avatar packages for the avatar I described and the smallest one by far. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.